Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that can completely change the way you create AI art and the way you build your online community. It's the creator program from getimg.ai. What it is, how it works, and why it's such a good idea to join. But that's not all. I will also share how the algorithms on X, formerly Twitter, and Instagram really work in practice and give you some powerful tips to help you create much more engaging posts and actually boost your reach. So if you want to grow as an AI creator, stick around because this video is full of real practical insights. The creator program is a simple but powerful entity for artists and creators working with AI. The idea is easy. You create images, graphics, or even videos using getimg AI, share them on X or Instagram, and tag our account. In return, you get something incredibly valuable. Full access to all premium tools in Creator Plan plus 4,500 credits every single week. That means you don't have to worry about running out of tokens for experiments. You've got the creative freedom to test new ideas, make bigger projects, and really develop your own style. Joining the program is simple. You fill out a short application form, get verified, and if your work meets the quality standards, you receive an invitation. From that moment, you are officially part of Creator Program. And the best part, it's not a closed circle of just a few people. It's a global network of AI artists who inspire each other and push the boundaries of what's possible. Examples include creators like, and these are real people already growing their profiles and their art through this program. So why should you join? First, the obvious one, full access to all premium tools. That means you get to play with the most advanced features. AI video generator, depth hard edges, editable references, everything unlimited. Second, stable credit support. 4,500 credits every week consistently. That's like having fresh fuel for your creativity every single week. Third, visibility. As a creator, your work has the chance to be promoted on the official getimg AI channels, which gives you reach, exposure, and real networking opportunities with other artists. And there is also something you won't see in the list of features: motivation. When you are part of this program, you know your work is seen, you know you are not alone, and you are surrounded by other passionate AI creators. That's an energy boost itself. Now let's move into the part that everyone loves: how to make your posts actually reach more people. Let's start with X. On this platform, the most important time is the first 30 minutes after you post. That's the golden window. The algorithm decides if your post is worth showing to more people based on the activity in that short period. That's why it's smart to engage just before posting. Comment on other posts, replay, interact, so when your post goes live, people are more likely to see it and react quickly. There is also what I call the replay chain boost. Here's how it works. Your first tweet is a strong visual or a short hook. Then you add replies with the process behind the scenes or useful tips. The algorithm notices people spending more time with your content and your reach goes up. Another strong tactic is what I call eco tweets. You can repost the same artwork 2 or 3 weeks later, but with a new angle. Maybe a different caption, maybe a comparison with earlier version. The audience is never exactly the same, and this way your content gets fresh eye. One of the best performing formats on X is what's known as negative prompt content. People love to see AI fails. A post like, "I told the AI not to do this, and guess what it did." That surprises people, gets shared in DMs, and spreads fast. And speaking of DMs, that's a hidden signal. Posts that get sent around privately in messages are heavily rewarded by the algorithm. If you can make content people want to share with your friend, you're already won. Now, Instagram. Here the kings are Reels and carousels. For Reels, the first 3 seconds are critical. You need to grab attention instantly. Maybe with a hook like, "Watch this AI artwork come alive." If viewers stay until the end, the algorithm pushes your video way more. Carousels usually beat single images. The best structure is first slide, your strongest artwork. The next few slides, the process, maybe the prompt, maybe comparison. And on the last slide, add a call to action, like try it yourself with getimg. That format works perfectly with AI art. There is also something called engagement loops. Instead of just writing a caption, ask the question. For example, which version looks more human, 1 or 2? Or save this post if you want to try this prompt later. Saves and comments are the strongest signals Instagram can get. Want to double your reach? Use Collab posts. When you post with another creator, the content gets published on both profiles and it automatically reaches both audience. It's one of the easiest growth hack out there. And there is a trick with stories. If you post a story with just 5 minutes before your main post, something like teaser of the artwork, Instagram shows your new post higher in the feed to people who saw the story. It's a simple move, but very effective. So how do you put this into practice as an AI artist? On X, post of series of cyberpunk portraits, make the first tweet the image itself and in the replies show the process and share the prompt. That pulls people into a thread, they interact more and the algorithm rewards you. On Instagram, make a carousel. Start with a final artwork, then show how you build it step by step and finish with a call to action like try it yourself on getimg.ai. And for Reels, add a subtle loop effect, like the artwork turning and then returning to the first frame. People end up watching it multiple times without noticing, which drives your watch time up. So to wrap this up, the Creator Program gives you free weekly credits, full premium access to all tools, and a real chance to have your work promoted. Combine that with a smart approach to how X and Instagram algorithms actually work, and you can get your AI art in front of thousands of new people. It's the perfect combination: powerful tools from getimg.ai and smart social media strategy. If you want to join the Creators Program, the link to apply is in the description. It literally takes 1 minute to fill out, and it could be the start of your journey as an AI creator. Let me know in the comments which of today's tips you will try first, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got more tutorials and guides coming soon, especially on AI video and advanced image generation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.